Let's just compare Rolling in Love by Kilian, which is a very expensive niche fragrance, to a not very expensive, very affordable niche fragrance that smells a lot like it, which is Baccara Vanille by Les Fleurs Du Golfe. Stay tuned after this intro to see this comparison. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. I am actually at this very moment right now extremely hungry, okay? And it was between me and food or between me and you, and I chose you over food. So I need 17 million likes for that, first of all. Second of all, I need everybody to click that subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it and follow my sweet Instagram that I spend a lot of time on it, okay? My goal for this video, let's just say 300 likes because I said so, okay? With that being said, let's just compare a dear to my heart, which is Rolling in Love by Kilian. I love this scent, to another dear to my heart nowadays ever since I smelled it, which is Baccara Vanille by Golf Flowers, Les Fleurs Du Golfe, okay? This is $350 a bottle of perfume or fragrance, and this is $69 with coupon bottle of perfume or a fragrance, okay? So it's up to you which one how much do you want to spend. But here on this video, just gonna deal with the smell alone. Pricing is up to you how much do you want to spend really, okay? So I have the dry down on the back of my hand. I sprayed it like half an hour ago. I don't know if you can see how shiny it is because these two fragrances are pretty concentrated. So it is shiny and I can definitely see the shininess of the back of my hand, but I don't know if the camera is gonna pick that up or not. But I have the dry down in here. Let's just spray the opening very fast, okay? I don't want to make this video too long. I need to eat, okay? So I'm just gonna spray a little spray here of Rolling in Love and a little spray here as well of Baccara Vanille, and let's just see. I'm not gonna edit much of this video also, just because I said so, okay? I'm really hungry. I need a like for that, okay? So Rolling in Love, when you first spray it on, it's definitely almondy. I smell and I detect a lot of almonds, okay? Floral, almondy, vanilla. That's what it is pretty much. In here, it's definitely almondy as well, but the almond here is not as pronounced as this one right here. So this one is definitely more almondy than Baccara Vanille. This one, on the other hand, is definitely more floral, and I pick up a lot of tropical flowers in here. And it says tropical flowers too, but definitely the flowers here definitely tropical, and it reminds me, the kind of flowers in here, it reminds me of Velvet Oud by Montal. So if you are familiar with Velvet Oud and the tropical flower in here, it smells a lot like it, okay? With vanilla and almonds. That's what I pick up in here too. On the other side, this one is not as sweet as this. This one is definitely sweeter. This one is definitely projecting a little bit more than this one, even though they're both strong enough. But the overall smell when you first spray it on, this one, almond comes first, floral, then vanilla. This one, on the other hand, it's floral, vanilla, then almond. Let's just go now to the dry down and see if there's any difference, okay? Let's smell Rolling in Love. Definitely almondy, vanilla, and slightly floral. On this one, right here, the almond here is big as well. This one is definitely a little sweeter, and the floral nuances is a little bit on the tropical side. The floral nuances here, it's got some freesia, it's got some tuberose here as well. It's somewhat similar, but a little different at the same time. Here's the thing, these two fragrances are definitely a little bit different, but the overall smell is very, very much alike. I would say these two fragrances resembles each other up to 80%, which is pretty high. 85%. I would say up to 85% too. Don't forget one thing, the dry down on the back of my hand, it's only dry down for half an hour. I remember when I sprayed this one multiple times, when this one dries down, it totally reminds me of Rolling in Love. So bottom line is, if you love Rolling in Love and you just don't want to spend that hefty price point for just to get yourself a bottle of this one, you can just get yourself Baccara Vanille for $69 or $73 retail, and you do just fine, okay? And these two smells great, and these two are actually niche fragrances, okay? So this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys again for watching and subscribing and doing all the good stuff. Please give me as many likes as you can possibly give, because I said so and I love you, and I know you love me too. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. button, yes, and the notification bell right next to it. I'm hungry. I'm not making any sense. Forgive me. And follow my sweet Instagram and let me know in the comment section down below if you love rolling in love. Have you smelled Baccara Vanille? And what do you think of almondy based fragrances? What's the best almond based fragrances like ever? I just want to know in the comment section down below. Okay, and this is pretty much it. I know sponge making smelling good, always easy. Peace.